Today's power word for your resume is determined. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Another word could be persistent. It means the person has a firmness of purpose, determination, and overcomes all obstacles in his or her way. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Determined or persistent are mere describing words. They tell about you, not about your action. They don't say what you did to benefit the company, so you need to back up your claim with your achievements. See, what you wish to say is, you pursue your goal with a single-minded resolve, you know your strengths, you are flexible, and can align your actions to achieve your goals. And you keep the final objective always in focus. But how do you say all these things in your resume? By using action words. Some of the action words that you can use with determined or persistent are amended, discovered, created, accomplished, etc. And then what do? You write about how you achieved your goals and what you did when you faced challenges. Highlight your ability to be flexible and realign your actions. But be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this would appear on your resume. Change the terms of the contract to suit the needs of the customers, at the same time not reducing the overall revenue of the company. Now there are no figures over here, but sales contracts, that's the specific information, and the benefit is not reducing the overall revenue. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.